Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Netflix subtitle font size on your mobile. Let's get started. Open up settings, scroll below, tap on accessibility right over here. Scroll below again, then tap on subtitle and captioning. And then inside here, tap on style. Just like that, inside here, all you have to do is simply select how your subtitle will look like. You can select classic or simply tap on large text. If you wish your subtitle to look like this, you will see a preview right over here. But if you would like to customize it, tap on create new style. Then describe your style, tap on size, and then select extra size. Make sure video override is turned off. You can even select your own font and your font color as well. After you are happy, simply open up your Netflix and you'll be able to see that your Netflix font size on your mobile device has been changed. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.